The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Broome County in central New York, southwestern Delaware County in central New York, northeastern Susquehanna County in northeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Wayne County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. At 5:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Binghamton to near Sanford, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Binghamton, Kirkwood, Conklin, Jackson, Sanford, Susquehanna, Deposit, Susquehanna Depot, Halsted, and Hancock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Wayne, Pennsylvania,